Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a yummy and tasty vegetable cheese sandwich. It's really very easy to make. So come, let's start with the preparation. To make sandwich, here I've taken 4 slices of sandwich bread, sliced cheese, 1 tomato, 1 cucumber, few chopped iceberg, butter, half tablespoon of red chili sauce, homemade mayonnaise and homemade garam masala. Now, if you wish to make your own homemade garam masala and mayonnaise, then please click the link at the end of this video. Now, let's see how to make this tasty sandwich. To a bowl, let's add mayonnaise and red chili sauce, mix them together and keep aside. I have mixed it very well. Let's spread it on a slice of bread. I have spread the mayonnaise mixture on one side of the bread, and now let's place cucumber slices. Next is the cheese. For that, I have taken a slice of cheese. Now let's place iceberg on top of this. If you would like to skip it, you may. Let's place sliced tomatoes. And for some spice, let's sprinkle some homemade garam masala. Now, let's spread mayonnaise mixture on top of this slice also. Let's cover with this slice and gently press it. I have taken a grill pan for toasting. When the pan is hot enough, then we shall spread some butter. Brush the butter to the whole pan. Now let's place the prepared bread into the pan like this and toast it. it will be really good if you could brush some butter on top of the bread too. When it's ready, then flip and get the other side also toasted. Our vegetable cheese sandwich is ready. Let's cut and serve it. Let's slice like this and enjoy. I'm sure everyone will love this vegetable cheese sandwich, especially kids. Now, if you like this video, then please like and share. Same time, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please support me by subscribing. See you all in my next video with another tips and tricks.